Photosynthesis. What is it? Here we have our leafy green friend, and he's going to show us what it is. Oh. The process of photosynthesis is going to start with our reactants of light, carbon dioxide, and water.
Here we have our apple that is full of glucose. This is our glucose model. The whites, these little balls over here, are hydrogens. These grays are oxygens, the gray little joints here. And the blacks are our carbons.
Cellular respiration happens in both plants and animals, but more so in animals. For example, my friend Chris here is getting the reactants he needs to perform cellular respiration right now. For example, oxygen and glucose. Oh, hello again. In cellular respiration, there are 3 final products, and one of them is carbon dioxide. H2O and ATP energy, which can be converted to mechanical energy.
The process of photosynthesis stores energy. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, which is in the plant cell. 2 stages of photosynthesis is the light independent and the light dependent. The light dependent occurs in the thylakoids and the light independent occurs in the stroma. The thylakoids get energy from the sun and gets water from outside. The thylakoids then create oxygen, ATP, and NADPH, which it cannot use, so it sends it out into the stroma and the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle breaks it down into NADP plus and ADP, and also sugar. The Calvin cycle also takes in carbon.
The entire process of cellular respiration occurs inside the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. There are also 3 main parts to cellular respiration: glycolysis, which occurs outside of the mitochondria, the Krebs cycle, which occurs in the mitochondrial matrix, and the electron transport chain, which occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane. We start with glucose, which goes into glycolysis and turns it into 2-pyruvate, 2-ATP, and 2-NADH. The 2-NADH ride the electron transport chain all the way to the end. The 2-pyruvate enter the mitochondria and get turned into 2-acetyl-CoA and 2 more NADH, which also go all the way to the end. The acetyl-CoA enter the Krebs cycle and get turned into more ATP. The electron transport chain takes in oxygen and releases the products of water and even more ATP to end the cycle of cellular respiration.